Want to create your own private server for 99 nights in the forest in Roblox? Let me show you how. Once you have your experience, simply click on that, guys. It's going to take you over to the home page in your Roblox account and just simply click on servers right here. So click on create private server. You can give it a name. I'm going to call this one Drew Toots and just simply click on buy. Once you do that, you can click on customize. You can go ahead and just customize your server, whatever you want to add there and so forth. Right now, once all that is done, guys, you can easily go back and you can easily join your own private server. Right, so your servers will be there. You can just simply go ahead and refresh the page and your server will pops up right there for yourself, and you can see it with your username as well. So just simply go ahead and click on join. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Be able to open up that experience right there, and you'll be right in your own private server right there. You'll see it pops up in a second right there, guys, and that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple, guys. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.